Hey guys, today we're gonna just quickly unbox this Club 6500C speakers of JBL. So yeah, this is a split system and I'm gonna use it just to boost the sound in my vehicle a little bit. Let's turn this around. So there you can see it's got a bit of a larger speaker for a little bit lows, and I've got a subwoofer in any case in there, and then you've got your little tweeters and brackets and crossover over here. Let's quickly see. Yeah, at the back there's also a cutout just to help you cut in the speakers or fit them to the size that you need. This is 6.5 inch. You can see it there. It says it's 60 watt RMS and the peak power handling is 180 watt. The frequencies, yeah, from lows to highs, whatever. As I say, I've got a subwoofer in any case. What I do see is that the nominal impedance is 3 ohms. So yeah, it'll work perfectly with my stereo, and I'm just going to use the stereo to power this in any case. This is not running from an amp. Right, so let's get this box open. This one has already been opened, so let's I just had to check the size of the speakers and everything in the truck, but let me get this out. Okay, so the top tray has got your little tweeters. I'll fit this into the truck and then I'll make a video of how it looks, maybe, or just what I did. There's the little crossovers. Let's take them out, whatever. So there you can see it's got a screw or a cable tie spot, so you can put this nicely or fit it nicely on something. Then you get these brackets for in front of on the dashboard. Normally there's holes which you can use this for, and then there's this little surface mount bracket. Let's take one of the tweeters out. So the surface mount one will work something like this. We'll just make a little hole in any case, and then the just goes straight into this. It's got holes where you can screw it or whatever. And then you've got this little screw and mounting thing. So this is another way you can drill a hole through your panels and fit this little tweeter in there and screw it from the back so that it sits a little bit more flush. So that it'll be the only thing that sticks out will be this little swivel. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go this route. Maybe we'll just see where we put the tweeters. I've got a bit of screws here. Let's just get out the little woofers. Okay, so this one has also got the covers and the woofer for your lows and a bracket just to, you know, to mount it securely to the chassis or whatever. You can always mount it through the panels, I believe, to the front. Okay, there at the back you can see also it says 60 watt RMS. Yeah, we'll see if that's the truth, but I'm not going to measure it. I'm just going to trust what they say. Yeah, that's it. So for the people who watch my channel maybe for a while, I've upgraded my Sony speakers in front to the Pioneers a while back and I was very impressed with the sound. While these speakers were hidden behind this plastic cover, I've moved them now to the back side of the truck, and yeah, unfortunately this truck has got like plastic holders for speakers, but there's no space in there for for these, so I had to cut holes and install them nicely into the front there, or a little bit forward. Okay, and so then what I got was this that I just showed you guys. I managed to neatly install the speaker behind there, and then I had to drill a little hole on the panel in front. This vehicle doesn't have any space for a tweeter anywhere else, so that is where I've installed it, and it really looks very neat and actually looks a bit OEM. Sorry, let me just get this view maybe. So yeah, it's fitted there. I don't know if I can maybe play something. Let's quickly try. I don't know if you'll hear, but the JBLs has got amazing sound, a very, very clear sound. Okay, so let's play this song. I've got a got a little Boya lapel mic on my chest, so I don't know. This is maybe the sound I will experience. So let's hear. Love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Yeah, so I've got a much fuller sound. Very impressed with the sound of these. Yeah, I think that was a very nice upgrade to the sound in this vehicle, and it's a neat installation, and yeah, very happy. Behind the panels I put the little split system, or the split boxes, so everything has been installed and it's running directly from this radio. The RMS on these, as I said, is 60 watt, and this front unit supplies more than enough power to get the excellent quality sound and a lot of sound out of that little tweeter and woofer. So yeah, thanks for watching.